Well, here we go again then, day 2. So, where are we? Yesterday, got a lot of the tiles off. In fact, pretty much all of them, apart from the shower. So today, let's get this dirty old towel out of the way. Basically, I want to get all the tiles off in here, which means taking all the shower off, which means taking this door off, which means protecting the base because that can't come out, that's pretty much solid and fixed in, and then obviously removing the tiles, and then once they're out, got to think about the next steps, and that's making good stuff like this, which I've got to get some plasterboard for, and obviously start to tile. Yeah, I think wow, it's a job knowing where to start, because obviously we're going to have a concealed shower knob just in here somewhere, so I can't do too much in there, but I probably could do two sides of it. I don't know, I've got no real plan at the moment, so yeah, we'll get all this off and see where we go. Right, bear with. Well, just over an hour in, doors off, shower's off, the protection's on, strange looking condom, but there you go. So yeah, now it's time to get hacking. Let's hope these come off as cleanly as they did. Yeah, probably shouldn't have said that. Well, that's been hard work, and as you can see, as expected, quite a lot of it came out. Obviously had a bit of a leak down the back there as well, for, well, many years I guess, because it's a little bit black and a little bit just there, so I would expect I'll be changing quite a bit of plasterboard here, but yeah, old arthritis is playing up a bit now, and I've pretty much lost all the power in my right arm to swing the hammer, so even lifting it up at the moment is a bit painful, but oh well. Gonna have a break for 10-15 minutes and carry on regardless, as you do. Well, on this side, oh, you can tell I'm knackered. I've gone back to using super glue again. This side was tricky. As you can see there, the bottom bit went, and that was down to a little bit of rot as well, to be fair, and a little bit of black mould in the corner there. But this side, it's just impossible. It's pulling all the plaster off. So, I'd say I'm going to have to plasterboard pretty much all that wall. Whatever happened to brick? Perfectly good solution to this stuff. Wow, today is certainly very, very slow going. But that wall's off. That's going to be a couple of boards of plasterboard on there to make that good again. And just the end bit. A little bit up there as well. But I expect that to be just as much as a pain in the backside as the rest has been. But now I'm going to have a quick shower, and we're going out to look at bits for the shower to make the concealed shower knob, and I don't know, we were talking about a rain shower head on the shower itself, but the wife's a bit undecided, because obviously you use the shower head to wash the shower down when you're cleaning it, so obviously if you put a fixed shower head there you can't do that. So I don't know what we're going to get at the moment, but yeah, got to look at options for that, and yeah, I'll get some plasterboard ordered, so hopefully in the week I can actually get that tidied up again. There, you're going to make a mess before you make it better, but yeah, that was hard going. Let's hope that back wall does come off fairly easy, because to be honest I need a break. Right, laters. Well, I'm about done physically and tile wise. So it was obvious it was going to be a pain in the backside, this bit here, but as you can see, it's done. Just need to obviously take all this loose plaster off the wall. I've got a load of plasterboard ordered and other things I need as well, so yeah, I can get away with patching this side, but pretty sure the back and that, they need a sheet, so yeah, I'll just strip it, put a sheet on there. Job's a good one. God, I'm knackered. Getting too old for this. I think I said that before. So I didn't do a lot of videoing today because it would be dead boring, I'm sure. But just going to have a massive clean up now. And yeah, by Tuesday, plasterboard will be here. So hopefully Wednesday, Thursday, get everything prepared, and maybe Friday, Saturday and Sunday, or late Friday, Saturday and Sunday, get a lot of the tiles in. I think we found the shower. Going to have a concealed shower there. I think we found that. See at the moment, took the old one out and it's just bunged up there. So that should be a concealed one with a plate there, and hopefully a rainfall head and a separate head as well. Had a look around this afternoon to try and find some, but few and far between, to say the least. But yeah, found a few online, so probably get those ordered. Right, that will do me for today. Clear up, and then yeah, another shower, and I think maybe a beer just to say you've done it. Alright, YouTube. Catch you in part 3.